Hi there. Well, it's about 4:30 now, and you can see we've done quite a bit of work, and it's going over to the marvelous museum in Bellflower on Flora Vista. I got to tell you, they have some of the greatest fire trucks I've ever seen, and to add to that collection, I feel very honored that they would want this truck. Of course, who in the hell wouldn't want it? Anyway, it's going over there. We'll take it over there on Saturday. And while loading it, some of the tire fell off again, but that's what happens when 107-year-old tires. Can you believe this? Is this amazing? Anyhow, it's going to go to the beautiful Fullerton, Los Angeles Fire Truck Museum. We have a couple, but I think this has got the most interesting and historically significant fire trucks going way back into the horse-drawn area. And this is right after, they were still horse-drawn fire trucks at this time when this came into service. So this is the transitional one. And it really is an important piece. And with a little luck, they're going to keep it basically original so people can see how solid this is and how wonderful it is. So we're really excited about it. Andreas and I have been working like little chipmunks, and we've got everything loaded in the truck that goes with it, and 4 boxes of additional bits and pieces. And since they're such nice people, we had a lot of extra stuff from the dozen trucks that we've done over the years, and we're taking that along with us too. Some of the bling bling that we didn't use or couldn't use on our builds, so they're going back to being on the fire trucks. And this is just 4 of the boxes, or 5 of the boxes that's going, that we haven't even, that doesn't even count that the whole back of the truck is full too. So we're really excited about it, and we hope you are. And I want to thank everybody for piling in on this one here. Very short notice. We put our first little video on just a few hours ago, and it's already at, I think, close to 1,000 people have seen it around the world. So it's kind of a thing that people get excited about. We sure got excited about it. The main thing is we were the ones that found it and brought it out, and now it's going to the proper place. I bought it in order for the parts, but the sum of the parts and the total of the truck and the historical significance and everything. You take a look underneath this. This is absolutely amazing. Little dirt, but that's it. No rust, no deterioration. Anything you see that looks rusty, that's all just surface. I mean, you can scrape it off with a razor blade. It's just an amazing, amazing thing. It's my greatest find so far in fire trucks. This is it. This is the ultimate. I don't know where the hell I'll go from here. So if you know of anything, let me know. I really would like to know. I love fire trucks. And I want to build some more Lobistiones. And whoever finds me that Lobistione, we'll put your name on a little bit of it. So thank you. That's ones we're working on. Garage looks kind of empty, doesn't it? Moved it over to the side so we could move the fire truck around. But anyway, again, thank you. And
please share, everybody.
yeah, please share it with everybody if you can, because this is one of those once-in-a-lifetime deals where you'll find something that really is desirable and has been parked for 65 years. Same man owned it 65 years. Can you imagine? He must have paid a fortune to store the thing. But thank God he did. There's people there that really don't care about the money. The money's not the most important thing. The historical significance and the happiness that this will bring people is what counts. Thank you for watching and joining Andreas and I on our little super adventure. And we'll keep up with you and seeing what's going on.
Till next time.
Till next time.